You can use that with any colors for any season. Same with the forest layering stamp set. So here's how I glue my background panels on. Again, told you, use the same glue. Glue it down in the middle and you'll get that nice little border. Here, I decided I only wanted a border to the left and the right, so I'm only going to take off 1/4 inch from the side. I'm not messing with the height of the card, so I just took off 1/4 inch. Then I'll go ahead and glue that down, but I'll center it, and then I'll have some of that craft cardstock background peeking through just on the left and the right hand side. Now do not forget, I do have a free workbook for you, 3 must-try fall color palettes for your fall cards. I've even included some suggested ink colors from Catherine Pooler that goes with the color palette that I put together. It's completely free. It's going to get you super inspired to create your fall cards. So I've got that for you down below. There's a link right in the description. Grab it. It'll be sent right to you for free. What's your favorite season? Did you have a favorite card? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.